there! Today we're going to take a look at the brand new May release at the Trinity Stamps shop, hitting the shelves on May 9th, 2023. So first up, let's take a look at our brand new stamp sets celebrating dads and grads. This is the Rad Dad stamp set. There's 3 stamped images and 3 dies. They're going to come together in one package. I love that. And so you can stamp out the words Rad Dad and You're the Best, and there are dies to cut it out. Now here, I have not snipped apart the dies for Rad Dad because they fit perfectly, but you can snip them apart if you want. And now let's take a look at some samples made with this stamp set so you can see it in action, and some really cute cards. I love that, and it's an inexpensive set to use for Father's Day. Next, we have our Simply Sentimental Dad. So we have all the words Dad in different fonts and Father, and the dies that will cut out those words, but also the shadow layers. So I'm going to show you how you can stamp these and then die cut out the words, and you can see there's some smaller words that you can use with that, and then die cut those out. You can also die cut the words and use the dies that cut out the stamped words as your shadow layer. So a really fun and versatile set, and it's made to go with our Simply Sentimental Mom stamp set. Here you can see some of the creations from our design team using this set, and you can use So Thankful You're My Dad, which is the So Thankful part is from the Simply Sentimental Mom. So you can use those add-on sentiments with this set. Okay, next we have a new Love Danny stamp. This is the You Did It Grad stamp set. It's one piece, it's 4x3, and it's got all the things you need in the one image. You've got your cute sentiment, you've got your images, and a little bit of flair with the stars and sparkles all around it. So this is like a one-stop stamp, and it's really fun to color. You can add a little mat to it and put it right onto your cards. And here's a few design team samples with that set so you can see how it looks on a card. Very cute and easy to make it fit your graduate by using their school colors. Okay, we're going to move on to our next stamp set. This one is so much fun for grads or dads. It's got jeans in it, and it's called Smarty Pants. So there's a few different pants in the row, and then there's one single pair of pants, and you've got several sentiments. Congrats, Smarty Pants. You did it. Thanks for the great jeans, Dad or Mom. So a lot of fun sentiments in there, and then really fun to color up these jeans, use them as backgrounds, as you can see in these samples by our design team. I love the clothesline. Just really fun stamp set, and I love that you can use it as a background or as a focal image on your card. So very fun new stamp set, and I like that it's something you could use for dad, use for grads, but also use any time of the year. Okay, next we have Here's to Brew. So we've got this large hand image that's going to hold the stein that could be beer or root beer, and then you also have the coffee mug, and it's made so you can stamp the hand and stamp the mug and not have to do any masking. But if you want, you can stamp the pieces and die cut them out and stick them together. So here you can see several examples of that by our design team. I think it's a really fun set. Plus it's got some cute punny little sentiments in it, and I think you're gonna like using this in so many different ways. So here you can see we've got the stein colored up, and the coloring on this is so much fun. And then the foam, we have lots of different like products on the market you can add to the foam. So just a fun stamp set and something pretty different, I think. Don't you? Okay, let's move on. We have our Ungrill-leavable stamp set. This is such a fun set with all these different items that come from the grill or used around the grill, like your mustard and ketchup, your seasoning, little mushrooms, little herbs, plus a lot of punny sentiments like, hey girlfriend, let's meet up. You'll see that set a lot more throughout our other samples in today's video. Next, we have 2 new background stamps. This is the double line plaid. It's 6x6. It's going to come with a cling mount type of sticker, and you could put that either on the packaging that the stamp is on or on your sleeve. So either way, just know you have that to use. And here you can see it on some backgrounds in these cards. I think it's a really fun set. It's very versatile too. So watch for that on the additional samples coming in the video. We also have our polka dot background stamp, very small dots, close together in a uniform pattern, also a 6x6 set. I love it here embossed in gold on black paper and makes a great background for almost like any style of card. Okay, now let's look at our new standalone dies. This is the Backyard Barbecue die set. I have to say this is one of the most popular sets from this release with our design team. We have a ton of samples, but you're going to die cut all these pieces and put them together to make a grill. There's a great example on the back of the card, and we recommend Pear Blossom Press lights if you want to light up your grill. She's got some great new flickering lights for that. So here you can see that grill done in different ways on several cards by our design team. Here's even one that lights up, like I mentioned, and you can do lots of different colors for your grill. There's flames, there's smoke, there's different food items, there's utensils, all in that die set, but it's going to go really well with our ungrill-leavable stamp set like it's used here in the background on this card. So you can really mix and match that stamp set with this die set. I think it's tons of fun, and I love just seeing all the different ways that the design team has used this set and colored and done their grill in different colors. It's really cool, and I think it's kind of like something different and fun to use for Father's Day. So I hope you love it as much as we do and enjoy playing around with it. Next, we have our stitched pocket die set. This is a 2-piece die set. You've got your pocket, which has flaps to fold around, and then you've got 2 little dies that are going to create grommets for the side of your pocket. You're going to fold back on the score lines, and you can stick this down and actually have something go in and out of it like a gift card. So let's take a look at some design team samples. Here you can see how they've used it for a gift card, a little pocket square. We've got different gift card inside there and done with different ways. Like that one has flowers attached to it. You can put money in there, like so many cool things. Here it is used on a scrapbook page. I love that. And then we have a new grad sentiment die set. So this is going to have a shadow layer and a word layer. It just says grad. It's a really cool set. Like you don't always make a ton of graduation cards, but sometimes you just need a little something. This is the perfect die set for that. And fun to do 2 different colors. And you know, we always want to do the grads colors, like here, blue and yellow. And I think that's really fun. And I like the big bold letters. Easy to pair with a die cut congratulations, a stamped graduation congratulations, and we have that right here with our new cut and foil set, graduate tassel. So we have a tassel that you can foil, the words graduate and congratulations you can foil, and a die that cuts out each one of those. So here you can see what they look like. Foiled congratulations graduate, and then all 3 pieces die cut out with their coordinating dies. Very cool. So that's easy to add with our grad die set, like you can see on this card right here. And we have it with several other cards in this video today by our design team. So really fun graduation sets that aren't like big and super expensive. So these are kind of embellishments we have next, or just new products to the shop. We have our rip and stick tape in 1/4 of an inch and 1/8 of an inch now. So those are now available in the shop and are going to be great for your die cutting, making boxes, as well as our rip and stick adhesive sheets. So double-sided, these are like 8.5 by 5.5, 3 in a pack. And then we have some other new paper as well. Our glossy red cardstock, 10 sheets in this pack, 8.5 by 5.5, and we also have it in blue. You may have already tried our glossy black cardstock. It's been quite popular. It's so good for hot foiling on, but I also use the red to make my backyard barbecue topper. So there's a lot of fun ways you can use some glossy paper, and it just has enough gloss to it. So all of these products are now available in the shop. We also have a hop going on, so check us out on YouTube and Instagram. I'll have the links to the video hop for you in the description box below, and our link to Instagram, so you can check those out and see some more inspiration from our design team. Thanks for watching. Bye.